Hello, welcome to Hey Ho, Let's Tour. Today we're away at Alton the Star Camping and Caravanning Club with the caravan. Hopefully not too much wind noise, it's quite windy. We've just driven down at the back end of Storm Florence, so which wasn't too bad. But yes, this is the entrance to the campsite. Very nice, we're already set up down there. Nice little club shop. They're in there buying supplies. That's me. And you pull up on just past reception on the left and check in. It looks like they're doing some digging work down there. And then the site's on the right. And we're down there somewhere. Just past the barrier there's a little playground as well, and some statics and holiday homes up the back there. And to the left, I think this is another field mainly for tents. I think that's a toilet block on the left. Yeah, there's some tents here. And I think there's a dog walk up here as well. And they said we could fly a kite there if we wanted, because it's very blowy. That's the little facilities for the tents there. Like piece that you actually there's caravans on here as well, so I thought it was just a tent field, but it seems you can put your caravans in. What we have heard and what we've sort of seen is that the hard standings are reasonably flat.
Yeah, they're pretty flat.
The grass ones, you're on a hill, so you've got to be prepared to bring chocks and wangle it so you can get on straight.
And we're on a...
Hard standing.
Yeah, but we still have to use
A little one just to get up. And there's a dog walk here, just to the right of this field. We can take little Hey Ho for a walk to get rid of exercise.
That's not funny.
These are the facilities at this field. Creaky. It does the job. Clean and pretty new. And there's showers around the corner. Dishwashing in there. That's where you wash dishes. That's the name. Around here, some more toilets and showers. I think there might be someone in there, so I better not go in. Wind's blowing everywhere. Yeah, so it's been a bit windy and it's drizzling enough. It just started to rain just as we're doing our little site tour. So if you see us running for cover any minute or hit by lightning or something, ring the police. That's the playground. Well done on working the door out. Nice bits to climb on, things to swing on. Whatnot. Are we trying to kill ourselves before we go? Anyway. Oh! No two are having fun. Oh, this other side seems to be some holiday homes and statics and stuff as well. There's the car park. There's facilities here, but it looks like the ladies' ones are out of action. Closed for essential maintenance, but the men's ones are there. And then there's some on the opposite side of the road. It's a dishwashing area, accessible toilet, laundry, information. Short people. And on the other side there's another entrance to the gents. I presume this is the ladies. That's the ladies' facilities. And I don't see anything around this side. I presume the showers and stuff are in. Pink tiles.
Pink tiles. You always feel like you know when you come to a caravan and camping club because it's always the
A certain look.
Yeah.
Feels like you're back to the 80s.
Yeah.
Showers. A step up there for accessibility, but I think there's an accessibility one. Toilets. Pretty bog standard. And then when you come in past reception, you go down to the right. They take you down this hill through this little entranceway, and that leads into the rest of the main campsite. I think I just felt a spot of rain on my nose as well. We're getting a lot of wind noise. It's very windy. It feels like it's going to rain any minute. Those dark clouds. What are you going to go on while we're on this holiday?
Pick a man. The Smiler. Oblivion. Nemesis. Galactica. 13.
A bit further down, we've got an Alton disposable point in your bins and water down here. That's a motorhome service point, is it? Motorhome. Alright, there's some water down there. We went further down the hill. We're down here on the, you can just see the front of ours poking out there. Early Discovery D44. Reasonably flat on the hard standing, but we did have to put it up on a little bit of a ramp to make it level. So you come through here. This leads to a little country little path road thing, which leads down to a pub, apparently. It's a very nice little leafy little road to walk down.
So the lady from the Caravan and Camping Club site said that this is the best route to go down if you want to get down to the pub, which is called the Star, because the main road by the entrance to the site is really busy and there's no pedestrian paths or anything, so always bear that one in mind.
That path leads down to the main road,
Below lane.
and to the left is Alton Towers and other stuff. And then across this street, and this little place which I think is called Cotton, because that's called the Star at Cotton. That's the pub. It's a little village and houses and all that sorts of stuff. Below Lane leads down to Alton Towers. Star at Cotton, brunch, dinner, functions. Home cooked food, so Monday to Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, different times, dog friendly, lots of other stuff. Pause it if you want to read it all. So we find out it's closed. So we had our very early dinner at the, what was it called, the Star?
Star
At Cotton.
at Cotton.
And the campsite it's called Alton the Star. So I don't know what all the stars are. Maybe some
I don't know.
famous, something local to do with stars. We're the stars of the show, aren't we?
What is it about?
It was quite nice, wasn't it? And you had a lovely vegan dinner?
Yeah, I had banana blossom fish and chips, which was really nice.
And you've still got loads of it left.
I just couldn't eat it, so I've had to.
Massive portion, wasn't it?
It was huge. Yeah, don't order a massive portion, it's massive.
So what we're going to do now is head back to the caravan and probably fall into some sort of food coma.
Yes, and then just chill out. It's a lovely sunny day.
Yeah, the sun's come out. It was a bit windy and drizzly, but now it's a lovely evening. Might stay out later on.
Yeah, I might sit out and have a cup of tea.
Yeah. Couple of busy days exploring and theme parking. We're at the campsite having food outside, and it is
Cold.
is it warm?
No. It's been warm today though.
It has been lovely warm, but it's just got colder now, hasn't it? That's disconnected because if so much as look at cooking anything, it sets the alarm off, doesn't it?
Make toast and that's it.
All the doors and windows are open, it still set it off, so we moved it out here. Temporarily, of course, we wouldn't want to break any health and safety laws. Day 3. We've spent a couple of busy days backwards and forwards to the theme park. Today we're just having a lazy morning, and then we're going to head to the theme park, mop up the last couple of rides we want to redo. But it's a lovely site for going to the, really handy for going to Alton Towers and stuff. Mrs Hayhoe's down there at the moment. She's spotted some people in the caravan that have a couple of cats, so she's gone to chat with them. It's the sort of thing she does. Yeah, we noticed a couple of cats. They're packing up now, where they had a couple of cats tied up and outside, on strings and leads or whatever. We'd love to take our cats away, but there's just not enough space, I don't think. So I hope you enjoyed our little site tour and little tour of the area of, that's Mrs Hayhoe putting the studies up, Alton the Star campsite. It's been a good campsite to get to Alton Towers. We weren't on the site much. We'll probably give another video on our thoughts on it, maybe a general one on like campsites in general these days, because we've had a few like weird things, like campsite etiquette and rule breaking going on it, but we don't want to be moany, do we? But yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, do all the good stuff, and we'll see you guys soon. Bye.